Some items in your house can make bugs feel at home. Check out a few things in your house that can attract pests. 1. Clutter. Clutter provides bugs with the perfect hiding spot. Keep things organized and store items in sealed containers. 2. Trash. Bugs, like cockroaches, flies, and ants, love feeding on trash. Make sure to remove it regularly and keep the lid shut. 3. White light bulbs. Some bugs are attracted to light. Cool tints are worse than warm ones, so swap your white lights for yellow bulbs. 4. Firewood. Piles of wood provide bugs with food and shelter. Store your firewood outside and keep it several feet from your house. 5. Moisture. Bugs need moisture to survive. Leaks, clogged gutters, and moisture buildup can result in bug activity. 6. Messy yards. Piles of leaves, grass clippings, and overgrown grass can be sheltering spots for pests. 7. Food. Bugs, like ants, like to feed on your food. Crumbs, spills, dirty dishes, and overripe produce can be a feast for bugs. Keep things clean and store your food in sealed containers. 8. Cracks and gaps. Many pests are opportunists. If they find an opening, they'll slip inside. Even small holes can let bugs in. Make sure to check for and seal any you find. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website, maggiesfarmproducts.com.